and Alex Herman. Break 3403 permission. 129103403.
Go ahead, sir. 3403-12910.
Yung Alex, po dyan. Sir, radio check lang copy the year go ahead.
Copy loud and clear, sir. May 20 Jacksonville, Florida, USA. Yun, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Jacksonville, Florida, USA. Likewise, my location is Baltimore, Maryland. So likewise, maganda po yung dating nyo rito. Loud and clear. Sige sir, awan ko lang siya namin. Tatawagin na ako sa Pilipinas. Baka naka-monitor si Clipper. 3462, are you on monitor? 3403. 3462, are you on monitor? 3403. Go ahead, sir. Good evening, sir. Likewise, 3462, magandang umaga dyan sa Pilipinas. How copy ako dyan? Nasa 11 exact location mo, over. Pagkino naman, sir, loud and clear. 135 audio. My location is Los Paños, Laguna. Right, network, sir. Audio check. Go ahead. Ayun, no problem, sir. Loud and clear din. My location is Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Sige, sir, check ko lang yung isang 41 sa atin. Baka naka-monitor si sir 34104. Yun, 34104. Are you on monitor? 3403 calling. 34104. Are you on monitor? 3403 calling. Sir, good evening, John. This is 34104. Coming here loud and clear. My location is Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Likewise, sir. Over. Your location. Likewise, location, Baltimore, Maryland, USA. Coming here, very loud and clear. So one more time, with your location and how up to that. Quality 5 audio, sir. Loud and clear. My location is Montreal, Quebec, Canada. Over. Okay, yeah. Buti naman. At malinaw po ako dyan sa Canada. Sige sir, walang pong ibang topic. Magandang umaga dyan. Likewise, magandang gabi dyan sa Canada. Likewise, sir, 12910 ng Florida, USA. Magandang gabi po. And 3462 ng Los Baños, Laguna, Philippines. Sige po, no other topic. Copy my station on 10. Clear.